For 90 minutes today, we are going to master the foundational element of Louisiana cooking, a dark roux for chicken and andouille gumbo. We have two incredible chefs with us, Michelle Boudreau from Lafayette and Celeste Dubois from New Orleans. They will guide us through 5 stages, starting with the most critical, cooking 120 milliliters of oil and 60 grams of flour to a perfect dark chocolate color.
Mais, yeah, Anna. Down on the bayou, we say that roux is the soul of the gumbo. You get your heavy cast iron skillet, none of that new stuff. You put in your half cup of oil, that's 120 milliliters, and your half cup of flour, 60 grams. And then you stir. You don't leave that pot, no. You stir with a flat-edged spoon, feeling the bottom, watching it go from blonde to peanut butter to the color of a penny. It's about patience, Chair.
Patience is essential, but precision is paramount. In my kitchen, that means a constant heat of 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for exactly 45 minutes. You are developing the roux brun, a classic French technique. This controlled temperature toasts the flour perfectly without scorching it. Any hotter and the accurate flavor is irreversible. The deep, nutty flavor we seek is a direct result of this thermal precision.
And when that roux get dark and smelling right, you gotta shock it. You hit it with the Holy Trinity. That's 1 cup of onion, 150 grams, and a half cup each of your green bell pepper and celery, 75 grams apiece. You dump it all in at once. That sizzle you hear? Psst, that ain't just noise. That's the vegetables stopping the roux from cooking anymore, right when it's perfect.
That sizzle is a controlled temperature drop. The heat must be immediately reduced to 150 Celsius, that's 300 Fahrenheit, to sauté the Trinity for 8 minutes. This softens them, releasing their sugars into the roux. Then and only then you add 15 grams, 1 tablespoon, of minced garlic for the final 60 seconds. Adding it earlier with the other vegetables would cause it to burn and turn bitter in the intense heat.
Now for the meat. Get that pan hot. Maybe 190 Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit. You take your pound of andouille sausage, that's 450 grams, and you sear it hard, 3 minutes on each side to get them crispy edges. Then you do the same with your 2 pounds, 900 grams, of chicken thighs, 6 minutes aside. All them brown bits in the pan, the gratin, that's the flavor you want in your gumbo.
Precisely. Once the proteins are seared, we build the body. Add 1.4 liters, or 6 cups, of chicken stock. Bring to a roll-in boil at 100 Celsius. Then immediately reduce to a gentle simmer at 90 degrees Celsius, or 195 Fahrenheit. The meats return to the pot with bay leaves for 90 minutes. For the finish, remove from heat. The filet powder, just 2 grams or a half teaspoon, is added only when the temperature is at 85 Celsius to thicken without becoming mucilaginous.
And there you have it, a masterclass in gumbo. Our 3 takeaways today are: 1. A dark chocolate-colored roux with low, steady heat. 2. Use the Holy Trinity to arrest the roux cooking and build the flavor base. And 3. Always add filet powder off heat to ensure the perfect texture. A huge thank you to our experts, Michelle Boudreau and Celeste Dubois, for walking us through this incredible process.